Hello again, my name's Gavin Shaw. I work for Campbell Scientific here in Australia, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through using our software to connect up to a station, see what the station is currently monitoring, and download some data so you can see what the station had been recording while you weren't at site. So in order to do that, we need a station to connect to. So I've set up a really basic weather station over here to my right. We'll go through the components that I've put on the weather station, just so if you have the same sensor back at your office, you can follow along with me and see what sort of measurements you should be getting from that sensor. Alright, we'll start with the enclosure. We can see inside my enclosure, I've got my data logger, which is the CR1000. I have a barometric pressure sensor, that's the CS105. That's the older version of the Vaisala unit. If you have a CS106, very similar unit, but a slightly different multiplier and offset. Alright, so that's the barometric pressure sensor. Got a radio just to talk to the station, and a battery to keep it powered. So that's inside the enclosure. If we move over to here, to my mast, up top, I've got one of our 05106 wind speed and direction sensors. This is the marine model of the 05103. It's got the same output, but this has got more features in it to try and protect against salt erosion and things like that you get on the coast. So if you have an 05103, it's basically the same sensor as this 05106. Alright, further down here I've got a Li200X solar radiation sensor on a leveling plate. That's what this is here. And inside our radiation shield, I've got an HMP50 temperature and relative humidity sensor. So I've written a program for this already. We'll cover writing programs for the loggers in a later video. All I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over to the software, use PC200W to connect up to the station, have a look at the values that it's measuring at the moment, and collect some data. Be sure to check out part 2 where we'll add a data logger into PC200W.